25th July 2020, Saturday. Good morning, you are listening to Safaz, your news anchor from Lava from India. Here we bring you latest news update from around the world. News update or headlines are: India record highest single day spike of COVID-19 cases. A total of 49,311 cases were reported in India within a span of 24 hours, which is the biggest single day spike. With these cases, the number of COVID-19 cases has gone up to 12,87,945. Among the states, Maharashtra is the first state to cross 6,000 deaths. It has recorded 3,47,502 COVID-19 cases with 1,94,253 cured and 12,854 deaths and 14,395 active cases. The state is followed by Delhi and Tamil Nadu. Delhi has 1,27,364 cases with 1,90,065 cured, 3,745 deaths and 14,554 active cases. Tamil Nadu has 1,92,964 positive cases with 1,36,793 cured, 3,232 deaths and 52,939 active cases. Moving to the next news. IT Minister to ban more apps over link with China. The Minister of Electronic and Information Technology has decided to ban several mobile applications, mostly of Chinese origin, official familiar with the matter said. The applications like Hello Light, Share It Light, Bingo Light and BFY Light have been removed from the Google Play Store and Apple App Stores, the official said. The government had in a several similar move last month banned 59 applications including popular video app TikTok in the backdrop of India-China standoff in the Galwan Valley in which 20 Indian soldiers were killed. Banning the app, the government had said that they have prejudicial to sovereignty, integrity and the security of the country. Moving to the next news. Railway to begin countless ticketing with QR code. Airport like check and AMA station soon. Indian Railway will begin a countless ticketing system with QR code enabled ticketing scanning across its station along airport-like check in the country for passengers, according to the official aware of development. Passenger will get an SMS with a QR code and URL after booking their ticket online, and at the railway station, the TTE will scan the displayed QR followed by which the detail of the passenger will automatically be linked across the station's database. We have introduced a QR code system which will given on a ticket. If one buy online, the code will be given on the ticket, even on the Windows ticket. An SMS will be generated and sent on the mobile phone, which will have a link and it will show the QR code when the link is touched. Moving to the next news. Earning goods written in volatile share market. These sectors set to outperform in next 5 years. India's share market bounced back over 45% from March low amid many ups and downs. Analysts maintain their caution view on the market in short term. Vinod Nair, head of research at Geojet Finance Services believes that if an investor wish to earn decent returns in this volatile market, then the sectors such as firm, IT, chemical, and export-oriented company can be looked into. These sectors may outperform the stock market by a wide margin in the next 5 to 10 years. With these latest updates, I ended today's news update. ISFS will come tomorrow with latest news update. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.